Stories like this happen every day in every part of the world. Yet the faithful continue to thank God for His divine protection. Which begs the question, if they're all cradled in the all-knowing, all-powerful hand of God, why then do believers lock their deadbolts, consult doctors, take medicine, buy firearms for protection, use seatbelts, put up security fences, require computer passwords, install smoke alarms, purchase health insurance? Think about it. Would people who really trusted God for protection have alarm systems in their homes, take self-defense classes, lock their vehicles, be afraid to walk down a dark street in the middle of the night? Why do crime, illness, and accident statistics apply to believers as well as non-believers? Why would a believer ever need to hire an attorney, wear protective clothing, build a storm shelter, carry pepper spray, have a safety deposit box, need chemotherapy? Why would a child of God ever have to make funeral arrangements for their own child? Why are the most religious often the most wary of sickness and death? Why isn't divine protection distinguishable from blind chance, human intervention, or the natural laws of physics? Ask yourself, if God is omnipotent, and if God's cherished children exist under His divine hand, why do they live their lives as if they are so completely and totally on their own? Do they really believe in divine protection? Or do they just want to? Think about it.